In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fill a shape with color on Canva, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. So I'm going to take this one right here as a tutorial for this video. So what I'm going to do is to just select a random shape. For example, we can take this one right here. So let's say that I would like to have this shape right here be in, for example, a green color. So I'm going to select the shape like this, as you can see. Then you're going to click on this one right here. So click on this one, it should say color. So click right here, and then you can select the color that you want to have. So for example, I'm going to take green. And as you can see, I can now fill this shape with color. I can take this one also and do the exact same thing. We can take orange for this one, for example, and then we can just go on, as you can see, and take what kind of color that you want to be able to have. So basically, if you do this, you can do this for every shape. As you can see, it doesn't really matter. We can take this one also. And this is basically exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.